Okay, now question number 2. Question number 2, exercise 12.2. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equals to 3 centimeters. Let's say this is AB, this is 3 centimeters given in the question. BC is equals to 4 centimeters, this is 4 centimeter. CD is again 4 centimeter. And then AD is given 5 centimeters. Okay, so this length is 5 centimeters, and AC is equals to 5, and AC is equals to 5 centimeters. So in this case you have all the values. Okay, now you have two triangles. Let's say this is T1, this is T2. Okay, so area of quadrilateral ABCD, you can write area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of T1 and area of T2, right? So you can write area of T1 plus area of T2. Now you can use Hero's formula twice and you will get the areas of T1 and T2. Let's say first I calculate for T1, area of T1. So for area of T1, first I calculate the value of S. What is the value of S? 5 plus 5 plus 4. 5 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 2. So you can write 14 divided by 2, that is 7 centimeters. So this is the value of S. Now apply the formula S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. That is the Hero's formula. Let's say this side is A, let's say this side is B, and let's say this side is C. And the value of S is 7 centimeters. Now, in place of S, write 7. In place of S minus A, you can write 7 minus 5. In place of S minus B, you can write 7 minus 5. In place of S minus C, you can write 7 minus 4. Now you can write 7 as it is. 7 minus 5 is 2. This is again 2 and this is 3. So from here you have only one pair, right? Pair of 2. So you can write like this. Take this 2 out from this square root and you will have 7 into 3 in the square root. So 2 root 21 centimeter square. So this is the area of triangle T1. This is 2 root 21. 2 root 21 centimeter square. Note it down fast. So this is the area of T1. Similarly, you can calculate the area of T2. Then add the area of T1 plus T2 and you will get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay? Note it down fast. Now area of T2. T2 is this triangle ABC. So the three sides are 3, 4 and 5. Let's say this is A, in this case this is B and this is C. Now first calculate the value of S in this triangle. So 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is equals to 12 divided by 2, that is 6 centimeters. That means the value of S is 6 centimeters. Okay. Now in place of S I will write 6 multiply by 6 minus 3 multiply by 6 minus 4 multiply by 6 minus 5. So this is 6, 6 minus 3 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1. Now 3 2s are 6. So can I write like this? 6 into 6. Now I have a pair of 6, so I can write 6 centimeter square. So the area of this T2 is 6 centimeter square. Now for area of quadrilateral ABCD, for so area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to sum of area of triangle T1 plus area of triangle T2. So what is T1? T1 is 2 root 21 and area of T2 is 6. Now you can calculate root 21. So the value of root 21 is 4.58. Multiply 2 with 4.58 plus 6, you will get 15.165. This is the approximated value. Itna centimeter square. This is the approximated value of area of quadrilateral ABCD. Any doubt? ठीक है. Okay. Now question number 4 is a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. That means, let's say this is the same base. Let's say this is AB, and on the same base you have one triangle and one parallelogram. So let's say this is the parallelogram that I have made on the same base AB, and I have one triangle here. Let's say this is one triangle on the same base. Okay beta, this triangle has same base AB and this parallelogram has same base AB. Let's say these points are M, N and O. Any doubt? बेटा आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है that you have one triangle and one parallelogram and both have the same base. दोनों का बेस सेम है, यानी कि AB पर ही आपका ट्रायंगल भी फॉर्म हो रखा है and AB पर ही आपका बेटा पैरेललोग्राम भी फॉर्म हो रखा है. ये क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. This thing is given in the question. If the side of triangles are 26, if the side of this triangle are, let's say this is 26, this is 28, and the third side is also given 30 meters. 30 meters. Sorry, 30 centimeters. All lengths are given in centimeters. And parallelogram stand on the base 28, and this parallelogram is standing on the base 28. Find the height of the parallelogram. For solving this question, you must have knowledge of area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is, what is the area of parallelogram? Correct, base into height. So let's say you have a parallelogram like this. Let's say this is P, Q, R, S. This is a parallelogram. Okay. Obviously, this side is equals to this side. PQ is parallel and equals to SR. Similarly, PS is parallel and equals to QR. यही होता है बेटा parallelogram में, that this side is equal and opposite to this, and this side is equal and parallel to this. यही होता है. Now, let's say I am talking about this side. Let's say this is base, and this is the. Let's say this is base and this is the height H1. So area of parallelogram is base into height. So you can write base into height. So this is the formula of parallelogram that we are going to use in this question. Now I have a triangle ABO. In triangle ABO, first I calculate S. First I calculate the value of S, like 26 plus 28 plus 30 divided by 2. 6 plus 8, 14. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 8, you get 2. So 42 centimeters is the value of S. Any doubt? 6 plus 8, 14. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So 42 centimeters is the value of S. Please don't write while I am teaching. Now area. Area of triangle OAB. Now area of triangle OAB using Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Any doubt? Now what is the value of S? 42. Let's say this is A. So 42 minus 26. 42 minus 28 and 42 minus 30, correct. Now this is 42, 12 minus 6, 6 and this is 1. 12 minus 8, 4 and 1. And this is 2 and 12. Okay, you have 42, you have 16, you have 14 and you have 12, right? Now how you can factorize 42? 6 sevens are 42, right? 6 sevens are 42. Or you can write 2 3s are 6, 6 sevens are 42. 16 can be factorized, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, correct? 14 can be factorized, like 2 sevens are 14. It is not a multiple of 4. Into 12, 2 3s are 6, sorry, 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Okay, now you can make pairs. So I can write 3 together. So 3 into 3, I have one pair of 3. Now multiply 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 2's here. So I can write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many pairs I have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And there is another pair of 7. So 7 into 7. So now can I write like this? 3 out of this square root, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2's, that means, and 1 7, right? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pairs I have, so I have 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any doubt? So 2 2's are 4 2's are 8 2's are 16, 16 3's are 48. 7 8's are 56, 7 4's are 28 plus 5, 33. So 336 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle OAB. First, note it down this thing. So the area of this triangle that I have calculated is 336 centimeter square. Okay. Now, area of parallelogram. So this is the area of triangle. Now you can say area of parallelogram is equals to area of triangle OAB, because they are formed on the same base. Okay. Now area of parallelogram is base into height, and area of triangle is 336 centimeter square. Base is given 28 centimeters. Height you need to calculate. So this is 336 centimeter square. Cross multiply these values and you will get the value of height of parallelogram, that is 336 centimeter square divided by 28 centimeters. So from this centimeters cancel out. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16. Now 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28. So 12 centimeter is the height of this parallelogram. Any doubt? Any doubt to any student? Okay, then please note it out fast.